First of all, I'm going to be boiling my protein, okay? Then after that, then we'll proceed adding other ingredients. Stay tuned and watch through. Thank you.
Start by slicing my onions. So if you want to prepare something like this is what you will do. Slice your onions and put it to the pot. Okay, add all your spices, curry, everything you are using, any spices of your choice, because I cannot be telling you what you will use as your spices. Now you know the one when you like, and the one when they taste, and the one when you they like the aroma is what you will use. Okay,
so I have added the necessary ingredients to boil my protein, okay? Then I'm going to be allowing this turkey meat to cook for some time. As you can see, I have onions and every other spices that I needed to add. So let's wait for it to cook up for some minutes. Thank you.
After about 10 minutes, my turkey meat is cooked.
So right now, I'm going to be adding in my carrot first, because carrot is a little bit harder to do than other vegetables, okay? Putting my carrot, already washed, prepared yesterday. After putting in my carrot, then I'm going to be adding my olive oil. Okay. Add my olive oil, mix everything together, just like this. Cover it with a very low heat and allow it to cook. So my carrots has been frying, so I add my vegetables now. Right now. We are going to be using this very pot now because one was too small.